Hear the word of the Lord. 2020 cents is not enough to it. God has already prepared the way. Listen. Before the year begins, heaven has spoken. Before the doors appear, God already holds the keys. No storm can stop what God has written.
Light will rise,
even in the darkest night. They said the road is long, they said the battle is hard, but I hear God say, my grace is in control. What do you fear?
what you fear,
God has already defeated.
God has already defeated.
Before January ever reached your feet, I hear a sound, I hear a sound from heaven. It says, move now, it is not too late.
This is not the time to turn back.
This is the year God will accelerate. 2026,
God has gone ahead of me.
every battle is already settled.
What I cannot see,
God has arranged, favor is waiting for me on every line. I walk without fear. The hand of God covers my heart.
no delay, no limitation.
This year carries my restoration. I see doors without handles. God says, push them, they will open. I see crowns where shame once ruled. God says, exchange it for joy again. Those who cry through the night will laugh loudly without permission. What you lost yesterday, God will return with increase. If God says yes, who can say no? If God says rise,
Who can say no?
if God says rise,
Who can stop it?
I refuse fear, I refuse doubt. For the Lord is walking the road ahead of me. When it is Lord, every battle is already settled.
What I cannot see,
God has arranged, favor is waiting for me on every part. Oh,
I walk without fear.
I walk without fear.
The hand of God covers
The hand of God covers my heart.
no delay,
No limitation. This year carries my restoration. I hear the Lord say move. I hear the Lord say advance. I hear the Lord say now. No more waiting, no more delay. I move forward by faith. Even when I cannot see, the God who called me is faithful to complete His work. In 2027, what was closed will open. What was broken will align.
words expire, promises breathe and change. And it's my appointed time.
God said the jar is written over my life.
Glory to greater glory.
This year will announce my story. I take my place with authority and with grace. Don't fear, no condemnation.
No condemnation.
This year carries my elevation.
No condemnation.
This year carries my elevation. Thank you, Lord. You went ahead of me. You prepared my tomorrow. I trust you, Jesus. I follow